What's going on, guys? Today we're unboxing my new hoodie along with my new hat. You may have heard by now, but I put out a limited collection in honor of my upcoming show, Sorry for the Night Demons, on February 16th at Your Happy Place Liquors in Logan Square. Hope to see you all there, and I hope to see you guys rocking some of the new merch. But let's get into this unboxing. All right, so I wanted to keep this unboxing as authentic as possible, and we're actually opening up an order I got for myself of the hoodie, as I mentioned in the intro. And I'm just gonna cut here. If you didn't know, I made these for my upcoming solo show, Sorry for the Night Demons. So it's a small collection, but only 30 hoodies, 30 t-shirts, and 30 hats. Speaking of the hat, show it under here real quick. Give you guys the close-up. Sorry for the Night Demons. A solo exhibition by Muddy. February 2019. With the infamous one half of the Night Demon duo, Cotton. Not to be confused with Candy. I might as well put this on here. So you just got a 2-for-1 there. All right. So yeah, let me break down the packaging here. When you get an order from the Muddy merch shop, if it's apparel, it's gonna come in a package like this. It's gonna say Muddy merch on it. It's gonna have my little Muddy tag. Then we bust it open here. Let's see what we working with. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. Let's show this screen. Now let's see on this one. Okay. I could take this off and just the embroidery, a little close-up for you guys. I'm really feeling this. I'm gonna go try it on. Hey, let's rip this off. I'm feeling it, yo. I really, really am. Got the hat. It might be a little overkill with the double logo, but hey, we out here, yo. We out here for real. This is what you get when you order a custom hoodie by yours truly, or a custom hat. Thank you for tuning in to this week's unboxing. Till next time.